Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Are you tired of wasting valuable storage space on your system or external storage devices due to duplicate files? Look no further because we have the perfect solution for you: 4N6 Duplicate Remover, a powerful software designed to efficiently scan and remove duplicate files from your computer, saving you time and freeing up precious storage space. After installing Duplicate Remover, launch the tool and you'll be greeted with a user-friendly software interface. With 3 easy steps: scan, select, and remove. Duplicate Remover ensures a hassle-free duplicate file cleanup process. Click on Proceed to start the scanning process. In the next window, you'll find options for filters and location to scan. Our unique filters allow you to specify the category of files you want to scan. You can filter by file name, file extension, ignore specific files, file types, and file size. For example, let's choose the file name option and enter values like Google and Microsoft, separated by commas. Next, select the specific drive or folder you want to scan. For convenience, let's choose My Computer as the location to scan. Then click on Scan Duplicates. Once you've made your selections, Duplicate Remover will swiftly analyze the contents of the chosen location. Once the scan is complete, Duplicate Remover will present you with a detailed list of duplicate files conveniently grouped together. And that's it. With Duplicate Remover, you can easily identify and eliminate those duplicate files that are taking up unnecessary space on your system or external storage devices. If you initially selected My Computer and would like to check duplicate data in another storage space, simply click on the back button. A warning message will appear, stating that the scanned result won't be saved if you go back. Click OK to proceed. Now, let's choose a folder location for scanning duplicate files. Click on the Browse button and select the desired folder. You can choose multiple folders by adding additional locations. Once you've made your selections, click on Scan Duplicates. Once the scan is complete, Duplicate Remover will present you with a detailed list of duplicate files conveniently grouped together. Additionally, the tool offers a preview mode for selected file extensions, allowing you to verify the duplicated files through previews. You can now select or deselect the duplicate files you want to remove from your drive. Finally, you can click on the Remove button to clean up your drive. But before proceeding to the final process, let's explore some other filter options available. Our next filter option is File Extension. Let's enter values such as HTML, PNG, and SVG, separated by commas. Click on Scan Duplicates. Once the scan is complete, Duplicate Remover will present you with a detailed list of duplicate files with file extensions HTML, PNG, and SVG conveniently grouped together, allowing you to easily remove those duplicates. Now, let's go back and check the next filter option: Ignore File. This option allows you to ignore scanning read-only and hidden system files, saving time when scanning large drives or folders. Next, let's explore the File Types filter option. This feature enables you to filter files by categories such as documents, images, audio, video, and others. For example, you can select the document option and click on Scan Duplicates. The tool will then only check for duplicates within the document category. Now, let's go back and check the next filter option. Another useful filter option is File Size. Here, you can set a minimum and maximum size. For example, you can set it from 0 bytes to 1 megabyte and click on Scan Duplicates. The tool will provide you with files that have a maximum size of 1 megabyte or below, allowing you to filter and remove large duplicate files to free up drive space. It's worth mentioning that you can combine these filter options to achieve even more accurate results. Now, let's go back and choose the file name option, entering values like Google and Microsoft, separated by commas. Click on Scan Duplicates and finally, select or deselect files to remove. To fully utilize the Remove option, please purchase the licensed version of Duplicate Remover. With the licensed version, you can easily remove duplicate files and enjoy all the benefits of the tool.